are the fruits of lobia, or you can say pods of lobia, which are freshly obtained from the garden. So you can say these are elongated pods, and when they ripen out, like they become ripe, they become thick like this and yellowish in color, and then we can obtain the seeds from them like this. These are the seeds of lobia. So you can grow lobia for their seeds, which can be used as a pulse and it can be used in your curries, or you can grow lobia and take out the fruits when they are green itself, and you can use them in your curries. Different type of curry can be made out of these lobia pods. So lobia can be grown easily with the seeds. These seeds can be used for sowing. Seeds should be grown at a distance of about 3 inches, and or you can take 1 hand distance. So you can grow them in your soil, and it is generally grown in the month of April or May in the northern part of India, and the fruiting starts by the month of June, mid or July. So you can grow these lobias easily in your garden and get these wonderful products out of them. So learn about these plants, their wonderful uses and benefits from your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel. Stay tuned to the channel. Curry with potato. We will be cutting this yard long beans into very small pieces like this. These small pieces you can make out of this by chopping it nicely with a knife. And the other materials which we will need for this is, we will need at least 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder or haldi, then about half teaspoon of this dhania powder. If you need more masala or more spices, you can add more of this dhania powder, then about half teaspoon of jeera powder. Then we can use this chili powder. This is actually homemade chili which you can use, that's why it has got less color. So you can use this. Homemade materials are always good for use, and it's healthy for our life also, because there is no adulteration in homemade materials. This is the lobia plant which has spread on a support, as you can see, and see the wonderful white flowers of lobia with the fruits. The fruits of lobia are eaten. They can be consumed as a curry, and they can be utilized in our daily diet. The seeds are also good. Seeds can be used as a pulse. They are rich in protein, so we can consume. You can see the fruits are there. Some of the fruits of this plant can be seen. So grow lobia in your garden and reap its benefits. These are the vines of lobia which has grown on a wide scale here. On a support, it needs a support or frame like this, and you can see there are flowers and fruits on this plant. This is the fruit which has come out, and this is the flower of the plant. These are the leaves. So you can see they have grown on a very large area. These fruits of the plant, they should be taken or they should be consumed when they are soft. Otherwise, if they become hard, they will be used for the purpose of seed making, because the fruits will become very hard. The fruits are having seeds inside them, and seeds become hard. Once they become hard, they can be used for sowing for the next year. So this is your lobia plant. that is a type of beans which needs a framework like this for support. These are lobias obtained from the garden. When they are green in color, then itself you have to pluck it from the vines. Otherwise, if they become white in color like this, then they will become hardened and it will be difficult to cook them. So you will have to take out the seeds from them. Like this is very much white in color. Now it will not be cooked, so you'll have to take out the seeds. And these ripened seeds can be sown or they can be stored for next year's crop. So grow lobias in your garden and enjoy its benefits. Lobia have come up well, but most of them have become hardened, and here it seems that it's being grown for seeds, because once it will become hard, that is your yellowish brown color, as you can see the pods of fruits here, so they cannot be used for eating. Their seeds can be used for eating in these cases. So and these are small varieties of lobia which have not grown up to much height, and lots of fruits have come up. These are black-eyed pea lobia or cowpeas or red cowpea or chavli. These are different common names of these pods which you can see here. Its scientific name is Vigna unguiculata. It belongs to the family Fabaceae, and these are the edible legumes which can be obtained. These are the seeds which you can get out of these. When the pods become white and mature, then you can take out the pods from that. So these are the seeds which are obtained from these pods. You can take out the seeds from these pods. Now, nutritional value is it contains 0.4 gram of fat only. So as it is low in fat, it's very good for health. It consists of 4 milligrams of sodium and 431 milligrams of potassium in per 100 grams, and it is having only 90 calories per 100 gram of lobia or cowpea. So total carbohydrate is also very less, that is 19 grams. Dietary fiber is 5 grams, and it consists of 0 cholesterol. So it is very good for reducing body fat. It does not increase cholesterol in a person. It is helpful in reducing blood pressure, as it is high in potassium and low in sodium. Sodium is only 4 milligrams while potassium is 431 milligrams. And it is having protein, high quality of protein, and protease inhibitors present in it help in cancer prevention. So it helps to prevent osteoporosis, heart disease and certain cancers. Flavonoids present in these legumes, they help to reduce the cancer risk and heart disease. It is an excellent source of calcium, folate and vitamin A. It is having about 211 milligrams of calcium per cup of lobia or cowpea. So this pale colored lobias, they are very rich in calcium, iron, cobalamin, magnesium, and being excellent source of folate and vitamin A. It also consists of vitamin C, D, B6. So I hope you have understood that how healthy is this edible legume. So you can grow it easily in your house, garden, with help of these seeds which you can take out from these pods and grow the seeds in the month of April end or May month in the summers, particularly in the Indian subcontinent, and that also in northern part of India, and then you will get the fruits or pods by the month of June and July. So growth is excellent vegetables or leguminous plants and obtain their benefits, and stay tuned to your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel. Students, here we have used about 2 tablespoons of oil, and we will put 1 teaspoon of cumin or jeera into it and add 1 finely chopped onions. So we will fry it till it is red brown in color. We will add these beans. As you can see, the cut beans are added and it is fried with onion and cumin, which is already added to it. So you fry it nicely. As you fry it, you can add to it the other spices which I am adding to it now. So you can see I will add this. I have taken about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, which I am mixing. You can add the salt as per your taste. Then you can add about 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric to it. So I have added turmeric and I am mixing it properly. You can see the beans are getting fried along with onion. Now I am adding 1/2 teaspoon of coriander powder or dhania powder, which you call it, for taste. Again I'll mix. Then I'll add about 1/2 teaspoonful of cumin powder or jeera powder. Again I'll mix it with this curry. Then we can add, as per our requirement, we can add this. This is your chili powder. Chili powder, it depends upon how much spicy you want to make your curry. So here I am adding only 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder to it, and let us mix it together. So you see a nice color will come to this. So we have to mix them all together and keep on stirring it so that it doesn't get held on to the vessel and it doesn't get black in color or doesn't get burnt out. Potatoes are cut into cubes here, and then they are also added to it. So we are adding with our lobia, we are adding potatoes also, so we will get vitamins and minerals all in this. I am adding more of lobia to it with the potatoes. So you can see, like these parts, if it comes, you should remove it because it will not get cooked. Actually this is a hardened part of lobia, so its cover can be removed and only the seed can be used. So you have got one more cover here, remove it, only use the seeds, otherwise they will not get cooked properly. So just mix them properly with the spices and the oil. Keep stirring the vegetable. Whatever is left, of the lobia. You should add. Keep it stirring. Keep on stirring so that it doesn't catch at the bottom or it doesn't get hold on to the bottom. And also the spices get mixed, spices and oil and salt gets mixed into these vegetables. So you see how green colored they look, and there is a reddish tinge because of the spices and the onion, which is fried up to about reddish pinkish color. Now we will add water, about 1 glass full of water to it. So I am adding water so that it gets cooked nicely. If you do not add this much water, you will have to cook it in oil, and then it will not be healthy for you. So that's why we add water and then we keep it covered with a lid so that it gets cooked in the steam itself. So steam cooking is actually better because that will help in proper cooking. At low temperature you can cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes, and you can see if I cover it with lid like this, it will get cooked easily. Lobia and potato curry is ready for eating. You can see it appears so yummy. So we will take it out in our container. See how yummy it looks, and we have to remove it from the stove, otherwise it will get burnt and it will not remain useful if it gets burnt. Season it by using some coriander leaves from the top. So I hope all of you will be able to make this curry of lobia with potatoes, which is very healthy, as we have used very little oil in this and we have used very little spices to make this. You can eat this curry with rice, or you can eat this curry with, see how yummy it looks. So you can eat this curry with rice. You can also eat this curry with rotis. So enjoy making this curry, and do visit your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel. Keep tuned to the channel, subscribe this channel and learn more about the healthy vegetables. Actually this lobia is rich source in vitamin C and vitamin A, and it will provide you minerals and fibers. Potato also is a rich source of carbohydrate or starch. It also gives us a number of vitamins and minerals. So you should have this vitamin and mineral rich food as you are seeing this. So enjoy eating this lobia and potato curry. Some fruits which are ready for plucking, so they can be plucked at regular intervals, and this is a summer season plant which you can grow easily in your kitchen gardens. So stay tuned to your own channel, that is Unique Learning Channel, and learn about various types of vegetables, ornamental plants, herbal plants, their uses and their health benefits. So enjoy learning, stay happy, stay healthy.